Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simran and today's video is going to be a Sarojini Nagar haul. So basically this video is consist of everything under ₹10. So let's get started. Also, this is not going to be a try on haul guys, because some of these clothes are for my friends and my sisters. And I got all these stuff from Sarojini Nagar. I went there on Monday. So the first thing I got is this really pretty pink shirt. It has this leopard print in pink color. And I just love this beautiful combination of pink and white. And it has these buttons, if you guys can see. And it has this tie at the end, which gives a really beautiful look. So yeah, this was my first buy and this was just for ₹10. So guys, another thing is this really pretty white top which has these beautiful bell sleeves. They are not actually hemmed, so I need to hem these first. And it has this beautiful neck. I just love this neck pattern it has, and you can see. And it was also just for ₹10. So another thing I got is this really simple black top. It has this georgette at the sleeves and at the end. So I really like this pattern and this was just for ₹10 again. Another thing is this really pretty peach colored top, and this is basically a off-shoulder top. So it's a little bit loose for me. I'll give it to someone else, or either I'll make a DIY with this. And it was just for ₹10 again. Another piece is this tube top. This is pink and black combination. It's super stretchy. Anyone could fit in this. You can convert it into a skirt, or you can wear it as a top with your denim jackets, and it's just for ₹10 again. Another thing I got this really pretty pink Jaipuri kind of stuff, and this is basically a cover up for your like tops, and if you wear really short clothes you can definitely cover that up with this. And I just love this pattern. I am a fan of Jaipuri print, so I got this and it was again for just ₹10. I got one more top. It has a Peter Pan collar and some lace at the neck, and it's really pretty and it's simple blue top. I really like this, and I got this just for ₹10. Well, another piece is one of my favorites. It is this romper, and I just love this print, and look at this neck. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I got this just for ₹10 again. Next thing is my absolute favorite. It's this really beautiful jumpsuit. It is black from the top, and the rest of the part, like the pant part, is in this print, and I really just love this. It has lining as well inside, and yeah, it's super comfortable, super beautiful, and I got this just for ₹10 again. Another one is basically a dress, and it's a halter neck kind of a dress, and it has this detailing, as you guys can see. I got this just for ₹10, and it has really soft stuff. It looks really classy when you wear this, such a steal guys. So another thing is this really pretty simple t-shirt, which is a basic t-shirt of pink and blue color with stripes. Stripes are in trend, so I got this one and it was just for ₹10 again. Well, the next piece is really interesting. It is this skirt. These kind of skirts are very much known in Bollywood songs, and it's very much Bollywood kind of a skirt. It has this really beautiful things. It's super shiny. Well, I'm not going to wear this. I got this for my sister. She's basically a dancer, so she needs these kind of stuffs in her videos. So yeah, I got this for her, and it was again just for ₹10. And the last thing is this dress. I really like the combination of blue and green, and it's a little bit big for me. I might get it altered because I really like this pattern. And I got this one just for ₹10. So yeah, this was the ₹10 stuff which I got from Sarojini Nagar. And if you want one more haul, I have a lot of stuff for you guys. I have some more pieces from Sarojini Nagar, so I can't extend this video anymore. But if you want, I can definitely make another Sarojini Nagar haul. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also suggest me guys that what are the other markets you are looking for and which market vlog you really want. You have to click on that bell as well so that you can be notified for my future uploads. Bye. See you in my next one.